We're live.
Hey guys, it's Keely. I'm live from Still with the Kiss on a Tuesday as usual. We have boxes to open today. I thought I have a sharp instrument and white pants. What could go wrong? Yeah, Jeannie's like, oh, maybe this wasn't such a good idea. Stuff kept rolling in. I thought, well, let's just open them up and see what we have here. Some stuff's new, some stuff's not. Let's just start with this one. This is from Urth. It came in straight from Turkey yesterday. Oh, spiral grain reorder. We've been selling spiral grain like crazy for the traveler shawl, and so we needed some more. That's the color we did our sample in. I bought a lot of that. Or is that different? This one's different.
There's two. Yeah, there's two that are real close.
Two colors that almost look the same.
Yeah.
This is Katsura and this is rainbow eucalyptus. So yeah, I can tell that this has some more pink in it. And
one of them has blue in it, I think.
Blue spruce, but not sycamore. Sycamore is what everyone's waiting on, and unfortunately that was on back order. So if you've been waiting on sycamore, I'm sorry. We can only do so much. But hopefully we'll get that soon. So I'm just, you know what? I'm just going to save you some time. I'm just going to put it right over here, Jeannie, where it goes.
There you go.
Here, see, I'm being helpful. Okay. Let's do new stuff. New stuff. Oh, I want to make a big mess with this one. So peanuts. Hold on. I can just do it right here. These are part of kind of our summer makers classes with crafts. This is something we saw when we were in Chicago at Market. And Jeannie and I, there's all sorts of sewing and every type of, handicraft you can imagine. Wouldn't that be a fair assessment? Everything from massive size sewing, industrial stuff to little. And this is one of the things that just stopped us in the aisle. Like, oh my God, those are so cute. Those are so cute. We're like, it's not your knitting, but we love it. Now, usually we saw a lot of stuff that's cute, but if you had to use a sewing machine, we're like, no, we're not going there. Even though Jeannie sews, and we're not.
I know. She wouldn't let me. I tried.
So that's diving into something. No. But this was one, and I thought, well, what are we going to do with those? And then we went a little further down the aisle, and we found these bead mosaics that I'll show you next week. And then Jeannie could see my brain going, bang, I have an idea. We can do summer makers classes, and then we can buy the cute little kits. Okay, so this is from Woodsy Craft Kit Company, and these are hand done in Oregon. These aren't your cheap stuff from overseas. They're really nice, and you color them in and make garlands, and they are the cutest things. You can't quite tell from the packaging, but these are mushrooms. We're going to make one up, and then you can see, I think we have a lot. See, these are all mushrooms.
And they come with markers and everything.
Yeah, the little felt balls, and you can string them. You can use them individually or string them together. Or we're going to try to even enhance them with some of our scrap yarn. I think we can get even more artsy. This is a folksy flower. We bought some spring ones, and then sunflowers. They're cute. So you can kind of see them back there in the picture where they're colored. They are so super cute. Jeannie loves to color.
Yes.
Yeah. This is right up your alley.
It was.
If you guys like these, and we thought this would be fun to do in the fall and towards Christmas, there's some really cute holiday ones.
They do.
And they're just fun. I don't know. We just like them.
And the Christmas ones you could use them as ornaments even.
Or
gift tags.
All sorts of fun things. What we liked about this too is we know a lot of y'all have 4 kids. Now, we're not trying to run a kids camp. Jeannie's shaking her head. Now, this is kind of like you come with your kid. We're not babysitting. But all of the makers projects we have, there's stuff that obviously adults want to do because Jeannie and Lori are really excited about these. But we're saying tween and up is probably a fair, with adult supervision. Don't drop off a bunch of little kids here, please. Yeah.
No.
Then they're done now. I know. Mine's driving now. I didn't think I have the patience anymore. Do you, Jeannie?
Yeah, no.
So irresponsible.
No. I might load them up on candy and caffeine and call you to come get them.
Even tweens, adult supervision.
Yes.
If they want to go wandering off downtown, they'll come back. Don't look at me and Jeannie.
That's right.
We can only do so much. Yeah, you have to be careful because sometimes it's like free daycare. And I'm like, no. Yeah, but we would hope that would be something fun. If you have some grandkids or kids and you want to come with them or just hang out the yarn shop and knit while they do stuff, we thought that'd be fun. I didn't tell you the whole story about this team. So we needed a needle tip.
Oh, yeah.
We needed one. It was a 7mm tip. We didn't have one. I'm like, oh my gosh, we got to get that for that order. I thought, well, I'll order enough so we can get, free shipping. That's always my goal. So we ordered on a bunch of stuff. I got the voice text today, Jeannie. I'm surprised she didn't hear bad words all the way. She's been in Branson. I bought the wrong tip.
Oh, no.
And you have to do a whole new order. So we got some
no.
stuff out
Okay.
of it. So
all right.
So I restocked on Silk Garden because we needed that. Then I ordered some needles that we were low on, and these are the ones I ordered a 7 umber.
Oh,
Not a 7
so
millimeter
the-
driftwood. I'm telling you,
I know this.
Rain is real.
Well,
This was the one thing we needed, and I screwed it up.
well, I think we're used to working in U.S. sizes, not millimeters, because well, you know.
And I knew that I'm supposed to get a millimeter. I mean, that's just I don't know what happened. But either way, we got her. So that was the, yeah, so this must be, I guess they shipped them back to back. This must be the one that just shipped, because I turned right around and
Yeah, because
ordered
this.
again, and I thought, I just want to pay shipping just to get one stupid needle in.
Yeah, and these just walked in the door earlier too.
Yes, he just brought these. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, these just came in together. Oh, yeah, this is it. So I decided we were running low on Karen's.
Oh yeah.
And so I got 2 new colors, because one of the
Oh, cool.
colors they didn't have anymore, and so I got some new ones. Those are pretty.
Those are pretty.
I did pretty good. You never really know what you're getting till you
Yeah.
get it. So it's always like the one time I'm like, "Ooh, that color would be pretty," and it looked just like another color. I didn't like just like it. Maybe got them, they discontinued the one that looks just like the other.
Well, that's
color.
good.
I'm sometimes like, who comes up with these colors? Why would you want to do 2 things that look alike? And then I bought some bud.
That's
We were
good.
low on
Yeah.
that.
I didn't even think about that when we were ordering the other day.
See, so it turned out okay.
Yeah.
And then, ta-da, the 7 millimeter tip.
Awesome.
We needed, yes. I was so mad. Chum was like, what's wrong? I'm like, nothing. I just did something stupid. We have our moments.
It's the story of our lives anymore.
Yes. I showed you last week the top kits. Now look how cute they are on the shelf.
Look at that.
They even look cuter now, don't they, than just,
They
they're all in
do.
the classroom. I thought, I'm going to do something about this. This is a big, super big mess. And these would sell like crazy. These are the cutest amigurumiru kits ever. I just think they're so cute. I mean, the cans, really. We like the kids, and those are cool too, but the tins, too cute. What else came in? Oh, I have one left. It's shocking.
Oh, yep.
Can you believe there's one left?
That's
Did I show
crazy.
this last week?
I don't think you did. No.
I don't think I did. This is the new color of Misha and Pat. It's a long story, but this was supposed to be the new color, but instead they sent this color by surprise, which is nice. It'll be nice for fall. And they finally got the shipment of the color that they were supposed to get, and they only took orders for it at the show, and they're being really limited on even where they're sending it to. I haven't even seen it anywhere else. So we ordered some, sent most of it, I think, to Japan, and then I think some went domestically too, but we have one left. That's it. So if you were wondering what Solstice Space Dye looks like, there it is.
I think it's really
We
pretty.
have one. I don't know if we'll be able to get more. Or
Somebody
not.
better get that before I do.
Oh God, yeah, this is a Genie color.
Yeah, it is.
Screaming Genie.
Y'all better hurry.
You're gonna have to arm wrestle Genie for if you don't hurry up. Okay, so we're just getting ready for summer. Come see us. Our makers classes. We sent out a mailer and we have it on our website. The different ones we have. We're dyeing yarn. We've got the wood crafts. We've got bead art that I'm going to show you next week because those will be here tomorrow. And embroidery. I showed you the embroidery last week. We're still waiting on more colors to come in. In fact, we got more colors in, but they didn't send us another cabinet, so we're kind of in that. But we got enough to do our class either way.
Right.
But right now it's kind of a hot mess, but we'll get there. What else going on, Jeannie? Knit along.
I don't know. Knit alongs.
Knit along
Yeah.
is still Thursday and Saturday for the Traveler's Shawl. Not too late to join. And then we're going to pivot to chickens in June, and it'll be moving to Tuesday afternoons for the summer. So we're doing our chickens. I don't know if I showed you. Our chickens are cuter. Where are they, Ethan? Here they are. Oops, I'm going to have dirt all over me from their nest. We're doing our chickens. We think our chickens are cuter anyway. All right, so that's all I got for you guys today. See you next week. Bye.